Hello pack leaders, it's Jojo and today we're tackling a tough but important topic, signs your dog might not be happy with you, and how to fix it. The bond with our dogs is precious, but sometimes we miss the subtle ways they communicate discomfort or stress. Dogs speak through body language, not words. Learning to read their cues is key to being a true pack leader. Misunderstandings can erode trust, but awareness is the first step to healing. In this video, we'll break down 7 behaviors that signal your dog is unhappy and give you practical steps to rebuild your connection. Stick with me to the end for actionable tips to transform your relationship. Let's get started. The first sign that your dog might be feeling anxious, insecure, or simply uncomfortable is if your dog consistently avoids eye contact. It's more than just shyness, it's a communication cue. In dog language, body language speaks volumes. Direct eye contact can be interpreted as a challenge, even threatening, especially to a dog who is already feeling vulnerable. If your dog consistently looks away, averting their gaze time and time again, it's a significant sign of discomfort, stress, or a lack of trust in the immediate environment or with the person they're interacting with. A confident and secure dog, on the other hand, will often offer soft, gentle eye contact, a relaxed gaze that invites connection. But if your dog turns their head away sharply, or shows the whites of their eyes, what's often referred to as whale eye, or pointedly avoids your gaze altogether, looking down or to the side, they're clearly communicating that they feel pressured, anxious, or even fearful in that moment. Your energy matters immensely in these interactions. If you're tense, stressed, or frustrated, even subtly, your dog will sense it immediately and may instinctively avoid looking at you as a way to diffuse potential conflict. To change this dynamic and rebuild trust, start by consciously calming yourself. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders. Approach your dog with relaxed, gentle energy, signaling safety and reassurance. And crucially, don't force interaction or try to initiate direct eye contact. Instead, sit quietly nearby, perhaps on the floor at their level, allowing them to observe you from a safe distance without any pressure to engage, and gently reward any brief glance in your direction with a soft word or a small, tasty treat. Avoid staring back directly, which can feel intimidating. Instead, just offer a soft blink, mimicking a dog's relaxed eye expression, or a gentle word of reassurance. The ultimate goal is to teach your dog that looking at you means safety, comfort, and positive interaction, not conflict or pressure. This process takes patience and consistency. Never punish a dog for avoiding eye contact. That's counterproductive. It will only increase their fear and anxiety, making the problem worse. Instead, focus on creating positive, pressure-free experiences where they feel safe and secure. Every calm, relaxed moment near you is a step forward in building trust and security. Celebrate even the smallest victories along the way. Each voluntary glance, each moment of relaxed eye contact is a significant step toward rebuilding trust and strengthening your bond. Remember, at its core, your primary job is to make your dog feel safe and secure enough to want to connect with you again. Patience, understanding, and gentle leadership are your most valuable tools in this process. Over time, with consistent positive interactions, your dog will gradually learn that your presence brings calm, reassurance, and positive experiences, not stress or anxiety. The eyes are often said to be the window to the soul. Help your dog feel safe and secure enough to open that window and share their inner world with you. Don't rush the process or put undue pressure on your dog. Let trust and connection grow naturally, at their own pace. If your dog consistently feels safe, secure, and understood, eye contact, that beautiful, meaningful connection will naturally return. Focus on providing calm, positive energy, and consistent reassurance every single day. Your relationship will strengthen and deepen with every gentle interaction, every moment of understanding. And that's how you rebuild a healthy, trusting, and loving bond with your canine companion. Next, let's talk about a dog that hides or runs away from you. If your dog leaves the room when you enter or retreats when you reach out, it's a clear sign they feel unsafe. This isn't a game, it's a flight response rooted in fear or anxiety. Don't chase or force interaction. Respect their space and let them come to you on their terms. Identify triggers. Does this happen after loud voices, stressful days, or certain objects? Start rebuilding trust by making your presence positive. Toss a treat when you enter, then ignore them. Over time, your dog will associate you with good things, not stress. Sit quietly nearby, read aloud, and let them get used to your calm presence. The goal: teach your dog you're a source of safety, not fear. Progress is slow, but every small step matters. Patience and consistency are key. Your calm acceptance will help your dog feel secure again. Growling or snapping can be alarming to witness, especially if it's directed towards you or someone you care about. It's a natural reaction to feel concerned or even frightened, but it's important to remember that it's not necessarily aggression. It's communication. It's a way for your dog to express their discomfort or unease. Your dog is essentially saying, "I'm uncomfortable with this situation. Please give me space and understand my boundaries." They're trying to avoid escalation. Never punish a growl. If you punish a growl, you teach your dog to suppress their warning signals. This can lead them to skip the warning altogether and go straight to a bite when they feel threatened. Instead, stop what you're doing immediately and carefully assess the situation. Take a moment to understand what might be causing your dog's distress. What triggered the reaction in the first place? Is it related to food, their favorite toys, underlying pain, or the feeling of being cornered and trapped? It's also crucial to rule out any potential medical issues with a thorough vet check if needed. Sometimes pain or discomfort can significantly affect a dog's behavior. Once you've identified the trigger, you can start working to change your dog's emotional response through positive reinforcement and counter-conditioning. For example, if the issue is food guarding, begin by tossing high-value treats near the bowl from a safe distance and then gradually getting closer as your dog becomes more comfortable. Always prioritize safety for both yourself and your dog. Use barriers or a muzzle if needed, and don't hesitate to seek professional help from a qualified dog trainer or behaviorist for severe cases. Remember, a growl is a gift. It means your dog trusts you enough to communicate their discomfort and warn you before resorting to more drastic measures. Respect the warning they're giving you and work to address the root cause of their anxiety or fear. Your ultimate goal is to make your dog feel safe and secure in their environment, not to dominate or control them through fear. With patience, understanding, and positive reinforcement techniques, you can rebuild trust and create a stronger, more harmonious relationship with your dog. Pay close attention and listen carefully to your dog's communication signals, both verbal and nonverbal. Respond with calm and confident leadership, providing reassurance and guidance. That's how you can effectively heal anxiety, strengthen your bond, and create a happier, healthier life together. If your dog refuses food or treats, especially their favorites, it's important to pay attention. Something is wrong, and it's your job to figure out what. This behavior is a clear sign that your dog is experiencing some form of distress or discomfort. Rule out medical issues first. A sudden loss of appetite can be an indicator of underlying health problems that need professional attention. But know that refusing food from your hand can also signal broken trust or high stress. It's not always about physical health. Emotional well-being plays a significant role too. Hand feeding should be a bonding moment, a positive interaction that strengthens the relationship between you and your dog. If your dog avoids your hand, they may associate it with negative experiences, perhaps from past interactions they found unpleasant or frightening. Stress suppresses appetite, making it difficult for your dog to eat, even if they are hungry. If your presence makes your dog anxious, they won't eat. They might feel pressured or threatened, even if that's not your intention. Don't force hand feeding. Forcing the issue will only increase their anxiety and worsen the problem. Start by letting your dog eat alone without pressure or hovering. Create a safe and comfortable environment for them during meal times. Gradually, be present in the room while they eat, allowing them to get used to your presence without feeling threatened. Then slowly decrease the distance over time, always observing their body language to ensure they remain comfortable. When they're comfortable, add a special treat to their bowl after they finish eating, associating your presence with positive rewards. Only try hand feeding again when your dog is relaxed with you nearby, showing no signs of stress or anxiety. Offer treats with an open palm, low to the ground, making yourself less intimidating and more approachable. And let your dog choose to approach, giving them control over the interaction and building their confidence. If they refuse, drop the treat and try another day. Pushing them will only set you back. This process rebuilds positive associations with your presence and your hand, slowly but surely repairing any broken trust. Be patient. Progress may be slow, and there will be setbacks along the way. Celebrate every small step forward with gentle praise and positive reinforcement. Your calm, gentle approach will restore trust and create a stronger bond with your dog. Let your dog set the pace, respecting their boundaries and allowing them to feel safe and secure. A tucked tail and closed body posture are clear signs of fear or anxiety. A happy dog has a relaxed tail. A tucked tail means your dog feels threatened. This posture often includes lowered body, pinned ears, and tense muscles. If your dog acts this way around you, they see you as a threat, not a source of comfort. This fear is learned, often from loud voices, harsh corrections, or unpredictable environments. To help, change your approach, turn sideways, avoid direct eye contact, crouch to their level, and speak softly. Let your dog come to you. Offer your hand, palm up, and let them sniff. Reward small signs of bravery, like a less tucked tail or a step toward you. Use gentle games and positive training to build confidence. As your dog's confidence grows, so will their trust in you. Avoid intimidating gestures. Never reach over their head. Your calm, predictable presence is the key to change. Over time, the tail will untuck and your bond will strengthen. Trust is rebuilt through gentle, consistent actions. If your dog ignores commands or avoids interaction, it's not stubbornness, it's disengagement. Dogs tune out when training is stressful or unrewarding. If your dog avoids you, they may associate you with negativity or lack of reward. Rebuild the bond by making yourself relevant and rewarding. Start fresh. Say their name in a happy tone and reward any attention with treats and praise. Keep training sessions short, fun, and positive. Use high-value rewards and end on a success. If your dog ignores a command, don't repeat it in frustration. Make it easier for them to succeed. Find what your dog loves, special toys, games, or walks, and become the source of those joys. When your dog sees you as the gateway to good things, they'll want to engage. You're not forcing compliance, you're building a partnership. Focus on positive experiences together. Your dog's desire to interact will grow naturally. That's the foundation of a strong, happy relationship. Some of the most important signals are subtle signs of stress-calming signals or displacement behaviors. Watch for excessive yawning, lip licking, nose licking, or panting when your dog isn't tired or hot. These are ways your dog tries to calm themselves in stressful situations. If these behaviors spike around you, it's a red flag. Other signs include sudden scratching, sniffing, sneezing, or a full-body shake after interaction. These actions help your dog cope with anxiety or avoid confrontation. Observe your dog's baseline behavior when relaxed so you can spot changes. When you see stress signals, de-escalate, soften your body language, lower your voice, and give space. Respect these cues. They're your dog's way of communicating discomfort. Responding appropriately builds trust. Your job is to be a master observer and a respectful leader. Recognize and honor your dog's boundaries. That's how you create a deep, trusting bond. We've covered the key signs your dog may be unhappy and how to rebuild your bond. Every dog is unique, so always consider their history and context. Don't jump to conclusions. Observe and respond with patience. Celebrate small victories. Each positive interaction is progress. Your calm, consistent leadership is what your dog needs most. Share your experiences in the comments and subscribe for more tips on building a joyful life with your pets. Until next time, stay calm and assertive.